In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how you can unblock a contact or a phone number on your iPhone. So there are actually two ways to do this. The first way is to go to the phone app on your iPhone and then tap on contacts and then look for that contact that you had blocked. So blocking a contact does not remove them from the contact list, which means you can just go back to the contacts and find that specific contact. You can even use the search function. So this is a contact I had blocked. What you need to do is tap on that contact to open the contact page and then scroll down and tap on unblock this caller. Okay. Now, if you had blocked a phone number which is not saved in your contacts list, then you cannot use this method. And that's why we have the second method. And the second method is going to your iPhone's blocked contacts and phone numbers list, finding that phone number or contact and unblocking it from there. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to phone, tap on that. Under phone, scroll down and tap on blocked contacts. So this is going to open a list of all the phone numbers and contacts you have blocked. So what you need to do to unblock is tap on edit and then tap on the red dot next to the contact you want to unblock. So for instance, if I want to unblock this saved contact, I can do it from here. Just tap on that and confirm by tapping unblock. If it's a phone number, just tap on that and then confirm you want to unblock by tapping on unblock. And you can do that for all the contacts you want to unblock. So that's basically how to unblock. So tap on done to finish, and then now you can hit the back button all the way back to the home screen. So that is how to unblock contacts on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. This tutorial was done on an iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these instructions will work on pretty much any iPhone. Good luck, guys.